Hello everyone, hope you must be doing great. Once again, Abdullah this side, a photography business coach. And in this session video, I'm going to talk about why you need to understand the importance of paid advertising. And if you do not learn or do this in your photography business, you will be left behind and your competitors will go far more ahead than you, right? This video is going to be very short, to the point, to the brief, and in 3 points only I will give you the entire summary. Why should you go for it, and how we as a company in a photography business, in a wedding photography business, why we have been using only and only the paid advertisements, and why this era of 2021 is the era of paid advertisements, right? We will come on to that. So I have divided this session into 3 parts. Have you seen these companies? Organic reach is dead, and why it is important for photography business. In 3 pointers, everything will be clear. So right now I'm going to show you some 3 companies, and you just tell me, have you seen the advertisements of these companies or not? So the 3 companies are, I'll just show that to you: Google, Facebook and WhatsApp. Now you just give me the answer. Have you seen the advertisement of Google, Facebook or WhatsApp? Just tell me that. And by the way, if you want the Hindi version of this video, the link is available in the description. You can watch the Hindi translation of the same topic, right? So now you just tell me, have you seen the advertisement? Have you seen the advertisement by these companies on YouTube, Google or Facebook? If you have not seen that, then you should actually, because these companies advertise. Now a question should come into your head, into your mind, that Google, Facebook and WhatsApp, these are companies which everyone knows in every city, in every village, everywhere. But why do these companies advertise, right? And if you don't believe me, I'll just show that to you. I'll just take you to YouTube and see. This is a Facebook advertisement called Facebook More Together ad. And this is another advertisement by Google. It is called Google Search Reunion. It's a beautiful ad. You just go and watch it. The third ad, you will see WhatsApp ad. These companies are like, these 3 apps is like the food of every phone, right? Food of every phone. But why do these companies advertise? You just give me the answer on that, and you can give the answer in the YouTube comment box also. I'll give you the answer. The answer is very simple, that every company wants to be in the top of your mind. Now, what do I mean by the term top of your mind? You have to understand that. I'll explain you with a very beautiful example. So just give me the answer. If you are living in India, and if I would have asked you that you have to buy a mobile phone, and suppose you are living in the 2012 year, right? 2012, right? And in that particular year, if I would have asked you that you have to buy a phone, which brand you will choose, then you would have certainly said that I would go for Micromax and Zolo and all these kind of mobile phones that you used to come in some 7, 8 years back. Right now, this is 2021. If I ask you today which brand you have to buy, you will say it will be Apple, it will be Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus. These are the top brands that will go in your mind. Now, have you ever observed that why, if I say mobile, which brands come into your mind? Possibly it will be Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus. But why does this happen? On a very simple note, it happens because the companies are constantly advertising on TV, onto newspaper, onto billboards, onto internet, onto YouTube, onto Facebook, and they want their brand to be in your head all the time, because that is why you need advertisement. If the big companies are advertising, then as a business owner, as a photography business owner, if you do not advertise, your competitors will start to advertise. Because the organic reach is dead completely. With this, I come to the second point, which is called the organic reach is dead. Now, what do I mean by the organic reach? First of all, you have to understand this very simple term. So organic reach is a reach which you get without paying anything to the social media website. You have to understand that, right? So organic reach is completely dead. It means that if you have got a Facebook page, if you've got an Instagram page, and you are going to post something onto that particular page, and you assume, and if you hope that you are going to get a lot of visibility onto your post, then it is certainly not going to happen. Why it is not going to happen? Because the organic reach on social media is only 1 to 3%, not more than that, right? 1 to 3% only. It means that if you have 100 likes onto your Facebook page, onto your Instagram page, and you're posting something, then that post is going to be visible only 1 to 3% of your audience size. So if you have 100 followers, your post is going to reach to only 1 to 3 people, maximum 5 people in that case. This is the the rate of organic reach nowadays. Why? Because when a platform evolves, right? I'll tell you. If you would have said to me that Abdullah, I want to do organic marketing in 2014 or 15, I would have said go on, because that was the time. Because that was the time when Facebook and Instagram, these two platforms were actually in the progress mode. They were building up. So whenever a platform comes into the market, it gains a lot of user traction by giving them an organic reach, a lot of organic reach. So you would have observed, if you are old into the photography business or you are operating since 2014-15, you would have observed that, very simple observation you must have seen, that the kind of visibility that you used to get in the year 2014-2015, that is not there anymore. Because first, what the platforms did, they just invited all the users onto their platform, and when they gained a lot of users, they just started to pay more attention to the people, to the social media pages which are advertising. Right now, you will see that onto Facebook or onto Instagram, there are a lot of sponsored ads. Now the social media website is not anymore a social media platform. It is a marketing and advertising platform. Right? That is why a lot of sponsored ads are coming into Reels, Facebook feed, articles, everywhere. Right? This is the thing. Now, if you think that you are going to post a lot of stuff and you will get a lot of leads, it is certainly not going to happen. Right? Now, why it is important for photography business? I'll come to that. Because it's the latest trend right now. If you don't learn it, you will be left behind. Your competitors will leave you behind. And it is going to be the next 5 to 6 years trend. Right? So I'll tell you one simple thing. If I take you some 10 years, 15 years back, and I would have asked you that you have to do some course for the photography, then you would have said, I will do a Photoshop course, I will do a desktop publishing course, something like that. I will do a computer course, if 10 to 15 years back. Now, but today the scenario has changed. Now, the most important skill now is the online advertisement or the online marketing campaigns, or to be very specific, Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads for the photography business, because it is very different. Now, the concern is that if you go to YouTube, internet, there are a lot of digital marketers who are actually teaching that, but nobody is teaching the Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads for the photography business, right? And this is actually what I teach in my workshop. You just check in the description, right? See when the next workshop is happening. I will show you in detail. I show you there in detail how I use the social media advertisement, social media platform advertisement to grow my own photography business, which is my wedding photography business. See where it is happening. And before further moving, I have 3 things to mention. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it right now. On this channel, you will find the content in both English language and in Hindi language, right? Second is that if you have not joined our VIP groups, Telegram groups, check in the description. Come in our private Telegram groups. There I give you a lot of value. I teach you a lot of things. Third, if you want to know about my premium course for the wedding photographers who wants to start and grow and expand their own wedding photography business, I have given you a detailed program. I have designed a detailed program, premium course on that, where I teach you step by step how to get into the market, how to design your ad, how to launch your ads, how to get a lot of leads through Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and other social media marketing hacks and platforms. You can find the link in the description. Go and check that. More than 500 photographers are part of this program right now, premium course right now, premium program. You can check on that, right? And these are the 3 things. So see when the next workshop is happening, go and register for that. Second, join our Telegram groups. And third, if you want to know about my premium course for the wedding photographers or who want to start their own photography business, then please check the description, right? So it is going to be the latest trend for the next 5 to 6 years, right? And you have to understand. Now I'm going to show you some results which is going to blow your mind. So I have just already opened it for you. These are all the pre-wedding advertisements results that I have got from my marketing campaigns, and you will see this is only Delhi ads. In December 2020, I started to run these advertisements, and right now when I'm making this video, it's September. So in 9 months, I've got around 974 leads. It's everything in front of you, right? And the budget of these pre-wedding clients is 40,000, 60,000, 50,000, 50,000, and then 2 lakh 60,000. Only and only high budget clients you will find, but it does not mean that you will not get any low budget clients. You will also get 10,000 clients, 20,000 clients also. But you will see through my marketing system, you will get 50 to 60% very high budget clients, right? And this is what I show you in detail in my workshop, and step by step I show you this in my premium program, premium course as well, right now. If you are not leveraging, if you are not using the power of social media marketing website, especially the Facebook ads, Instagram ads, you will be left behind. And the biggest mistake the photographers do is that they go and launch their own advertisements without understanding this machine, the social media marketing machine. Very few photographers in actual, they have got the success when it comes to getting the advertisement successful, right? You must be one of those people. You must have gone to Facebook or Instagram to launch your ads, but you must not have got the results. Why? There's a reason in behind that. Because it is like a 5D Mark IV camera. If you give this camera in the hands of a new photographer, he or she will not be able to understand that. You have to understand this machine, which is a social media marketing machine, right? So this is it, the power of this. And if you want to learn more about how to use the power of advertisements, I recommend you to come in my workshop, check the details when it is happening, and be over there, right? So this is it. Thank you so much for watching this till then. And till then, stay happy, stay spiritual, and stay blessed. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching this till then. Thank you so much.